Are you looking for the perfect blend of modern luxury and equestrian living? Welcome to 3891 Old Field Trail in the heart of Old Mandarin, where city convenience meets the serenity of a private horse farm. Stick around because today I'll take you on an exclusive tour of this stunning property and we'll dive into why homes like this are a rare find in Jacksonville, Florida. Hi, I'm Atwaul Bennett, your local real estate expert, and today we're at a very special Brokers Open. The theme is Saddle Up with Bourbon Tasting, and it's happening right here at this incredible horse farm property. Whether you're a horse lover or just seeking a tranquil place to call home, you're going to fall in love with what this place has to offer. As we begin, take a look at the sprawling grounds surrounding this home. With 1.5 acres of lush greenery, you've got plenty of space for horses or any other outdoor hobbies. Just imagine watching the sunset from your porch while your horses graze in the distance. It's like stepping into a postcard. This is not your typical barn. It's equipped with everything you need to care for your horses, but with a modern twist. Spacious stalls and enough room for all of your equestrian gear. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting, this barn has it all. Moving inside, the first thing you notice is the open floor plan that flows effortlessly, into panoramic views of the property. The living space is filled with natural light, modern finishes, and just the right touch of farmhouse charm. Perfect for hosting, especially if you're having something as unique as a bourbon tasting like we are tonight. Speaking of which, let's take a quick peek at that bourbon tasting setup. You can picture yourself hosting events like this, can't you? This home is built for entertaining, whether it's intimate gatherings or larger parties. And don't forget, Old Mandarin is known for its quiet, peaceful vibes, so your guests will have the best of both worlds, privacy and beauty. But it's not just about the home, it's about the lifestyle. If you've been dreaming of a space to enjoy life with your horses, this is it. From the riding trails to the stables, you've got everything you need to embrace the full equestrian experience. And while you're surrounded by nature, don't think you're far from the action. Old Mandarin is close to all the best restaurants, shopping, and highly rated schools, but it still gives you that rural country charm. It's truly the best of both worlds. What would be the first thing you do if you moved into a home like this? Drop a comment below and let me know how you'd make this property your own. One of the things I love most about this property is its history. Old Mandarin has deep roots in Jacksonville, and this farm is no different. Imagine the stories you'll create living here. Horses grazing in the fields, family gatherings under the stars, and those quiet mornings when you sip your coffee and just breathe in the fresh air. It's a lifestyle most people only dream about. Now I know what you're thinking. A property like this must be out of my reach. But don't let the size fool you. With the right lender, there are programs available that make homes like this much more attainable than you might think. So if you're interested, reach out to me and let's talk options. If this property feels like the perfect fit for you, give me a call today. Even if you're not in the Jacksonville area, I can help you find a home like this wherever you are. And trust me, in today's market, waiting could mean missing out on your dream lifestyle. Now enough talk, let's inside look at everything it offers. Roll that beautiful bean footage. If you're as captivated by this property as I am, reach out to me today to schedule a private showing. I'm here to help you make this home or one just like it yours. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about the property or the Old Mandarin area. Let's make your equestrian dreams a reality.